What is going on, everybody? My name is Baloo, and welcome to the jungle. This is the channel where we take a look at your favorite cryptocurrency projects and we analyze them very simply. I'm here to teach you that analysis doesn't have to be so hard, and it's more important what you do in the trade than actually getting into the trade. So if that's the kind of thing that tickles your fancy, then why don't you hit the subscribe button, because I do this every single day except for the days that I don't. So today we're going to take a look at two projects, Litecoin and Polkadot. Litecoin, well, because it's finally seeing some bullish momentum. Litecoin's kind of been a sleeper for a really long time. You know, it's quote unquote the silver to Bitcoin's gold. It's 4 times faster. It's got 4 times as many coins. You know, it's a different project. It's, you know, but it's a Bitcoin fork. It's just a faster, more efficient version of Bitcoin. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at Litecoin, see what's going on inside of the charts, and then we're also going to take a look at Polkadot, because why not? Polkadot's dope. So starting out here on the daily, we're on the Litecoin Binance futures chart. Keep it really simple. Keep it really simple. What do we got here? We've got a downward sloping line of resistance, okay? Yes, we've had some pretty bullish momentum here. So on the daily, in the last couple days, we've made a move up 27%. That's big. Litecoin's been asleep for a really long time. So we got some nice bullish price action. We got nice bullish volume. Everything looks good. Everything looks peachy. But what happens when we get here? Well, I mean, we got rejected here. We got rejected here. So if we get here, what should you be doing? You shouldn't be going all in on Litecoin. You should be, you know, going short. The trend is your friend until it ends. So if I'm to enter a position on Litecoin, it's going to be up here and it's going to be a short position. Does that make me an asshole? I don't know. Maybe. But it's because the trend is your friend. So until we can break through this level and get a test, you know, then we're talking about different things. Now we've got a break of resistance. We've got bullish momentum. That's a very different story. We can flip bullish, but as long as we're below this line, we are bears. Don't think that this thing's going to go to the moon when we're below such a resistance point. When you're below resistance, you're a bear. If you break resistance, then you're a bull. Okay? It's important to realize that. So what am I doing inside of Litecoin? Nothing right now. I'm actually maxed out in a lot of my positions. I don't like to get into too many coins. Me as a trader, you know, I'm trying to position myself well in this market, but you know, you don't want to have your finger in every pie. So Litecoin, we're just going to watch it develop. If I see an opportunity inside of Litecoin, you better believe I'm going to be posting it inside of my VIP trading group, which reminds me, if you are interested in learning the Wyckoff method or upping your analysis game, I've got a ton of free material inside of my Discord down below. Come in, say hi, join the community. We're a community of traders that are just trying to make a buck and make a living doing this crazy thing we call trading cryptocurrency. So if that's something that interests you, well, we'll see you in the Discord. But let's go ahead and take a look at Polkadot. So Polkadot, much different. Let me just see here. So we've got this Wyckoff box inside of Polkadot. It is a horizontal box. You know, we're not seeing anything too crazy, but we do have this downward sloping line of resistance. We are beginning to poke our heads out. Okay, we've got a couple wicks here. The wicks were, you know, there was supply entering the space, so selling pressure on the wicks. That's fine. Let's go ahead and drop down to the 4-hour and see how the price action is responding. So yeah, we're butt up against resistance. So, you know, if you are bearish on Polkadot, now right here is where you would want to short it. But if you're bullish on Polkadot, you certainly don't enter a position here. You wait for the break. And yeah, it's kind of like exciting, because when these resistance lines, when these resistance lines break, they break aggressively. They don't just like start going, they freaking go, you know? And people are like, whoa, this is it. No, it's not like that. It breaks because there's nobody selling. And when there's nobody selling, the price goes up. If you have a little bit of demand and there's no supply, the price goes up. But eventually it hits an area where people are going to start to sell, and then it comes back down. And it's going to come back down and retest the line. When it retests the line, the traders are like, yeah, that's a buy, and then it goes back up again. So just realize that 9 times out of 10, I mean, it comes down and it tests. So just look for the confirmation. The confirmation is going to be that huge green candle. And then after the confirmation is confirmed, come down and buy the test, because it pretty much always happens. That little tidbit of information right there is going to help you considerably when learning how to make entries into this market. Don't chase green candles. Noobs chase green candles. The noobs get wrecked, okay? If you're losing money on your trades, you need to change the way you're trading. If you find yourself in a hole, stop digging. So that's what I'm seeing inside of Polkadot. I encourage you to join the Discord down below. We can show you a little bit more. I'm kind of posting a lot of these Polkadot charts right now because we are butt up against resistance. We're waiting for this move to happen inside of Polkadot. So if that interests you, come poke your head in, come say hi. And until next time, that's all the time I got for today. So if you enjoyed the content, please leave it a like. If you want to subscribe, that would be fantastic. And if there are any coins that you would like me to take a look at, leave them in the comments section down below. And until next time, please trade safe. It is a jungle out there. Peace.